So guys, welcome back to another brand new video, and today I am going to tell you how to download season 14 test server, because you guys are asking me a lot how to download. So I will be telling you how to download. So first you have to just press on the link I have given I have given that link in the description. You have to press that. And guys, I will show you how to do. I have when you will press this, you don't have to open it with Chrome. If you will press Chrome, it will not work. It will work, but it will not download nicely. Then you have to press any other, like I have this browser, so I am going to press on this. After it is going to load, then you have to wait, then it will show download. Then if when you will press download, then you have to press on this three lines. So guys, then you have to press download, and guys, you can see it is downloading. I have it, so I will not download it. Then you have to press on it, then it will take a little time, because yeah, it is a test server, it will take a little time. Then you have to wait for it, then you have to install it. So I will not show you that how much time it will take. It will only take, sometimes it take 1 minute, sometimes it doesn't take minute time. After that, you have to open your Play Store and search UFO VPN. And guys, first when I downloaded it, then it was working, but now morning when I woke up and I tried, it didn't work. So then you have to download this, and when you will download it, you have to open it. It will it will load, and then it will show an ad, because I don't know, because I have not bought the plus version of this. Then you have to press, you can see that below connect, it is showing some, it is going to be like this. After that, you have to press United States, and oh, what did I do? Then you have to press New York. No, not New York. You can press, yeah, New York is the best. Then you have to press New York, and it will take you back here. Then you have to connect it, wait for it, and it will show ad again, because you have to pay otherwise. No one will pay for this. And then you have to press cross. And guys, after that, you have to just open your game, and it will work very nicely. If you will not download a VPN and connect a VPN, it will not work without a VPN. It only works with a VPN. Otherwise, it will only show this. After, if you will install a VPN, it will go all the way. And if you don't have a browser other than this, that Chrome, if it is not showing any other, then you have to download, you have to search any browser. And yeah, you can download any browser. I will prefer this one. Wait, so guys, if you will not have any other browser than Chrome, then so I have given the link for this browser in the description, so you can download this one. And I have given the link for that UFO VPN also, you can download that also from the VPN. Now I will open this and show you how to download from this one. So guys, now we will download it. Now I will show you how to download from Firefox. Then you have to press on Firefox, so it will take a little time. So guys, after that it will show like this. Then you have to press download, and then you have to press on these three dots, and then on downloads. Oh. So guys, because that browser was glitching, so I have found this another browser. This browser is from Samsung, so you can trust it. So I have given the link for this app also. So you have to I will show you again. After that, you have to press on the link, and this will appear. Then you have to press on Samsung internet, then it will show download, then again download, then you have to press on these three dots and downloads, and you can see that it is downloading. So like this you can download if you don't have any other browser. So guys, this is it for this video. I hope you have understood how to like download season 14 test server. So bye bye.